This is boring. Chipmunk!
Hi! Hey guys! What's up? And today we will be unboxing the Nom Nom Chipmunk from Home Depot. He is 6.5 feet tall. We got him today on clearance sale. Usually $129 in retail. And we got him for $33. Clearance sale. There's this lady that's like, should I buy this? And she was talking to her husband. So and this was the second last. There's one left. Other than this, it was a super creepy gnome, which I hate gnomes. It was actually fuzzy. That would be cool if this was actually fuzzy. He's animated. His mouth moves. It was the last one there, and then she got mad because I took it. I'm like, yoink. And then she took the last one, and then there's another lady walked in. She's like where are the Christmas inflatables? And then we just left. We didn't want it. His mouth moves, he eats it. I really want the penguin, but they don't sell it no more. Yeah, look at Holiday Home. This looks like a different one than the Walmart. I have opened this, but I didn't actually use the inflatable. I just want to see what it is. So, he's double box. He does have a base end, 6.5 feet tall. He's really cute. Where's his stick? Oh, I saw them. Yeah. He doesn't come with instructions. Big steaks and some little steaks tethered. I do not like the instructions. This one is weird. I've seen videos on this. Oh, but guys, look at this. Look at, he doesn't have the covering on his head. He usually has a covering on it. Oh well, he shouldn't, like, hopefully. He's big. Oh, I see a zipper. I wonder how many zippers. He has one or two. Well, we put the wreath outside, so we are doing this. But that one is coming after. Unfortunately, the Santa, we found out it had a hole in it, so we had to refund that at Lowe's. But at least we made a video while we could. There you go. He's the big fan. He's really cute. Oh, he's pointed the opposite way. I need to turn him off. He's stuck. Oh, he has two zippers. How is this out? It's my finger. He's a bad boy. He's a cute little. Look here. Now what is that? Okay, good. Now he has two zippers. Look at his mouth. Come here. He's so cute. Home Depot. Ow. He didn't eat his teeth. Lots of people have this one. I want the penguin, but they don't sell him. Those is mean. So we have two reviews coming after Christmas. It will be coming out on the 28th or the 29th. subscribe. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Here, let me show you guys something. Look at it. Every time his mouth moves, his tail moves. Wait. Oh, sorry. It's moving. Turn off the lights. He's very bright. How do you turn off the... This is with the light on. Look at his acorn. How do you turn off the lights? Like on here. So this is with the lights off on it. Look at his little mouth. Hey, you guys want to get easy? Yum, yum, yum. How does that feel? Like it? Look at his little eyes. Personally, I don't think his fan's powerful enough, but if he still inflates on the HomeDepot.com, where I got this, I mean on HomeDepot.ca, I got this in store, but on the .com website, this hand was not connected. It was on the side, so I could tell. I like his acorn. He's actually stitched better than the lots of them. They usually only have one string, but I like this. It's a scarf. The scarf is really nice. Lights on. I've always wanted to. Hey guys, this is what it looks like with this. He died. Oh, look inside. There's his mouth moving. I don't even know how it works. I don't want to get my fingers stuck there. No, I'm not sure. Well, I could actually. Let me see how. Oh, I see how it works. I see. There's the. I see how it works. There's this little thing that like is clipped onto something and it goes on. This thing has two zippers. Oh, I thought he has. I like that he has. He's pretty. There's another zipper down here somewhere. Oh, found it. And this is with him at the bottom. Getting heavy. Then he comes weak. And it gets weak especially because of his fan. He's not in. At least his mouth still moves. Look at his mouth. Hey, let's open both of these. I guess you can just like look at his mouth. Wait, imagine I'm gonna make him eat his stuff. Guys, hold on. Let me close the zippers. He's really blown down. I see he doesn't. Oh, look at his lights. Whoa. Oh, good thing. Good. His lights are the easy kind of opening. Not like the older ones. Oh, that's not hot. I love the lights that are easy. Look at guys. Instead of having to push this thing, you just snap this open, and then it's really easy. Lots of people have this. I honestly thought, so we had to refund the Santa for clothes. I honestly thought we wouldn't get one, and now they're inflatable. Home Depot had it. It said in stock when it wasn't. And then these were the only two left. They were display models, but they weren't for sale. Well, these were the only two left. This is a gnome, but I don't like gnomes. So, and that weird lady. Who likes this? Like if you like this. Or subscribe if you love this. If you have this, like it or love it, subscribe and like. And yeah, bite. Ow! Wait guys, look at his mouth. You can see it's there's like screws. Hey, I bet if you wait, let me feel. Oh, it's hard. Wait. Oh, yeah. Make him eat these people, whoever those are. Let make him eat them. Yeah! Okay, I like that he actually inflates. The penguin doesn't inflate, but I still think he's cute. I like the fish. I honestly never thought I would get this. He's so awesome. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. And we will see you tomorrow during the display. Tomorrow for sure, the display. Because we are putting him out tomorrow. So, yeah. Bye, guys. And we will see you tomorrow. And remember, 2 unboxing reviews coming after Christmas. 28th, 27th, or 28th. One day and then the next day, probably. Yeah? So, wreath and then tree. Tree's big. So, bye, guys. And we will see you tomorrow during the review of the Christmas display.